Day 216, meditation on suicide. It is difficult to talk of suicide. There are so many reasons for it. Some people are overwhelmed by fear and anguish, others by despair. Certain people kill themselves because their pride has been hurt by what others have or have not done. There are people who are convinced that they will never manage to achieve anything, and those who experience intense desire and kill themselves through anger when that desire is not satisfied. Some people allow themselves to drown in sorrow, and there are many other reasons besides. That hits close to home. I'll be meditating.